Hello, and welcome to our Reportcaster video on scheduling other schedules. This feature allows you to use a single schedule to initiate one or more schedules. You can also create event-driven schedules. For example, if the first run of a called schedule is unsuccessful, you can make the calling schedule attempt to run the called schedule again. The first scheduled job is an extract from our data warehouse. The second two scheduled jobs will use the result of the first job, so we want these scheduled jobs to wait until the first scheduled job is complete. On the home page, click the Schedule button. Then, click the Schedule icon to open the Advanced Scheduling tool. In the title field, type Extract Data and Run Reports. On the ribbon, click the Recurrence button. In the Manage Recurrences section, click the New button. Select the options Weekly and Monday, and click OK. On the ribbon, in the Show group, click the Tasks button. In the Manage Tasks group, click the new drop-down arrow button and click Web Focus Schedule. Click the Browse button to open the file chooser. Select the Extract Retail Data Schedule. Click the Open button at the bottom of the chooser. For this schedule, keep the default option Run Immediately and wait for this job to finish. Selecting this option means this job must finish before the next task can run. Click the If this task fails, repeat every checkbox. If this task fails, we're going to set this task to repeat every 5 minutes up to 3 times. Note in the task dialog box that you can see the tasks created in the called schedule. Click OK at the bottom of the task window. The Extract Data schedule is now added as a task in the calling schedule. We will now add the second schedule task to the calling schedule, which will schedule a report distribution after the Extract Data schedule finishes running. Click the arrow to the right of the New button. Select Web Focus Schedule. Click the Browse button to open the file chooser. In the Reports folder, select the Product Profitability Schedule and click the Open button. Select the Add this job to the queue option to run this job as soon as the first job is finished. Click OK at the bottom of the task window. The Product Profitability Schedule has been added as a task. We will now add the final schedule to the list, which will distribute the sales dashboard. Click the drop-down arrow of the New button. Select Web Focus Schedule. Click the Browse button to open the file chooser. Select the Sales by Region Dashboard schedule and click the Open button. Select the Add this job to the queue option. Like the second job, this third job will make the Sales Dashboard schedule distribute a report after the Extract Data schedule finishes running. The second job and the third job have the ability to run simultaneously. Click OK to close the Schedule Task dialog box. We now have 3 jobs scheduled to run. On the ribbon, click the Distributions button. The distributed output of a schedule of other schedules is a job log. The available distribution methods with a multitask schedule are email and print. In the Manage Distributions group, click the New button. The Distribution dialog box opens. It displays the default distribution method, which is email. We will demonstrate one way a calling schedule can distribute its log information. In the To field, type user1 at localhost.com. In the From field, type Reportcaster. In the Reply Address field, type reportcaster at localhost.com. Click OK to create the email distribution with the new values. On the ribbon, in the Show group, click the Properties tab. Since we will run this schedule manually and not as a scheduled recurrence, clear the Enabled checkbox. In the Actions group, click the Save and Close button. Type the title, Extract Data and Run Reports, and click the Save button. We will now use the Reportcaster Explorer to view and run the schedule of schedules. On the home page, click the banner, point to Tools, and click Reportcaster Explorer. The Reportcaster Explorer opens in a new tab or window. Click the List Files in Selected Folder and Subfolders button on the toolbar to see all the schedules you are authorized to access in the folder path. Right-click on the Extract Data and Run Report schedule and click Run. Click OK on the confirmation dialogs that display. All three called schedules will now run. This can be seen by navigating to the Job Status page of the Reportcaster console. The calling schedule, Extract Data and Run Reports, runs first, running the first called schedule, Extract Retail Data, immediately. Once this job finishes, the remaining two scheduled jobs run second. Once the calling schedule completes its tasks, the log report of the calling schedule displays additional information about the three called schedules. The calling schedule always distributes a log using the distribution method of your choice, such as email. To learn more, visit the WebFocus Knowledge Base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.